The last 100th episode is a conversation between me and Yashwant Sinha and Mr. Chidambaram about the economy and how it all will be reach Viksit Bharat. But I think there are many more issues to be discussed. But central to all this is the independence of our institutions. We've talked about in Dil Se programs, the way in which the Election Commission is collaborating with the government. We've talked about other institutions collaborating. We've talked about the misuse of power, misuse of the ED, misuse of the CBI to target people. Now that's not going to ultimately lead you to a constructive dialogue for India. It may lead you for yourself. In other words, it may keep you in power for a while, but in the ultimate analysis, power also, at some stage or the other, will be taken away from you, right? But what's important is, in the meantime, we have lost many wonderful years when India can actually progress towards that dream of ours. So this program is all about that, and I intend to carry forward with these Dil Se programs and raise very important issues. But the one message I have is for the institutions of this country, and most of all the judiciary. If you want to save the future of this country, stand up. Be counted. Your independence is central to the survival of democracy.